I have a story about a blue cockatoo. Whenever I do this, you go, woo-hoo. So let's try that. Woo! One more time. There's nothing to do, and I'm feeling quite blue. With all I've been through, you'd be feeling blue too. I live in the zoo on the banks of Peru with a wonderful view, but still I'm quite blue. You see, I am new, making this zoo debut as a fine cockatoo. So why am I blue? Well, just to review, I am here at the zoo with nothing to do but sit and be blue. Though a cockatoo view might be pleasant for you, if my story you knew, you'd be feeling blue too. I was born in Zulu, where my white feathers grew, and I hadn't a clue why they soon became blue. At first it was new being a blue cockatoo. No kind of blue shampoo could remove my blue hue. But one day, as I flew, a net someone threw. I wish I knew who had found this bird blue. So off we soon flew to a Peruvian zoo. I bid Zulu adieu and began feeling blue. Now they stand in a queue to see me be blue, with which, how do you do? I feel even more blue. But don't misconstrue. Being blue in a zoo beats being found on a menu as blue cockatoo stew. Now that we've practiced getting our voices ready, we are ready to sing. Keep making music.